You know when you get a brand new cocktail book and you're flicking through and you see some recipes, you thought, oh, they look really good. And then you get to that one recipe where you look at it, you take a second look at it and you think, that is right out my street. That is the first one that I'm making. Well, that's exactly what happened to me when I got a copy of Georgi Radev's cocktail book, Let's Get Tropical. Georgi owns Lackey Cane in London, proper lovely tiki bar, one of my top 3 tiki bars in London. It's absolutely amazing, love it there. But I was flicking through. I got to page 122, and that's what I was confronted with. The beach whacker. I was looking through the ingredients, you know, there's vanilla, there's apricot, there's rum, there's pineapple, there was ting, it says grapefruit soda, and I just thought, you know what, that is right up my street. So I've made it a few times, absolutely fell in love with it. I've made it with some different rums. I'm going to talk you through the rum that I used in this, because for me, I think I've absolutely nailed it with the rum choice in here. And it's a spiced rum. All will be revealed in 2 seconds. But if you make this cocktail, 2 things. Upload it to Instagram, tag me, tag Georgi Radev or Lackey Cane, probably Georgi Radev, because it is such a good cocktail. Fun, fruity, bold, spicy, wintry, summer, easily a summer drink, easily a winter drink. It is a glorious, and yes, I'm going to call it a tropical tiki cocktail. Right then, so the ingredients you're going to need to make this cocktail. Now, Georgi just called, I forget what he actually calls for in the book. Hang on, we've got the page right here. I think he's just put gold rum in there. Now, I have exclusively made this cocktail every time with spiced rum, because I think spiced rums with this go very, very well. It's a fun cocktail anyway, so let's put it like this. I'm going spiced rum. If you want to go plain sort of proper rums, be my guest, because it's going to taste amazing. But the rum I have made this with time and time again is Hursty's Two Swallows, Sir Thomas Hursty's Two Swallows. His salted caramel and citrus spiced rum is absolutely delicious. So delicious, he sent me another big bottle there. Can you see that? So I've got a big bottle there. We're just going to use the little bottle there. But one of my favourite spiced rums. Not overly sweet, but plenty of spice coming off it, and it just works a treat. I'm not sure which way around we've got apricot liqueur, we've got vanilla liqueur, we've got pineapple puree, pineapple syrup, maple spice, lime juice, orgeat syrup, and then his recipe, I know it says grapefruit soda, I mean, it's 99% sure it's ting that he would use for this. I haven't actually got any ting, but I've started using it months ago with like lilt when I could get it, but I've got Aldi's fake lilt there. And this cocktail, I think the lilt, me personally, I think the lilt takes this to a whole new level with the spiced rum. So let's crack on, run you through this. Because we're going quite a few bits of liqueur going in there, so just going 40 ml of spiced rum, and this is a 38%. So 40 ml of your spiced rum. As I say, if you want to go double bubble, be my guest, but this works. We're then going 20 ml of apricot. Apricot liqueur, lovely. We're going 20 ml of vanilla liqueur, and these are both, this is 20 and the apricot's 25. So, you know, so it's kind of still punchy. So what have we got? 40, 50, 60, we've got 80 ml of booze going in there. You know, if you want to dial it down, be my guest. If you want to up it, normal rum, again, be my guest. Right, we've got pineapple puree. This is ODK's. I think Monins would work an absolutely treat in here as well. So I'm just going for 15 ml of pineapple puree, pineapple syrup. Georgi tells you to muddle down a pineapple ring, but, you know, faff-free. So 15 ml of that. Right, syrup wise, we're starting off with maple spice, Monins maple spice. I'm going 10 ml of that. So we've got maple, we've got the spice notes from the spiced rum as well. Amazing. My orgeat syrup, well, regulars now to the live show should know what this is. This is a combo of George's William Fox's and ODK's. I've combined them both together, and for me, that's a bang. That is the best orgeat syrup I've tasted. So I absolutely love the combo of them both. Both offer slightly different things, but half and half. That's all I've done. Half ODK, half what George's William Fox's, and it's a banging orgeat syrup. So we've got 10 ml there of that. Lime juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, 25 ml of that, so 25, Perfect. And then that's it. The ting obviously comes, or the ting, the grapefruit soda, the lilt, whatever you want to call it, comes after the shake. So good, hard, fast shake. And I can tell you, the salted caramel notes and the spice that comes off that is amazing. Really, really, it works a treat. I say, this is a fun cocktail. So tiki glass, you could go tiki mug. I just want a tiki glass just for the thumbnail. But I'm just going to single strain that in there. So look at that. That'll be bang on. That's what we want. About 2/3 full. Then just going to top up with my fake lilt, but this is so good, so cheap as well from Aldi. What's it called? Tropical Blast. I love it. So just top that up with a bit of Tropical Blast there, lilt ting, a bit more crushed ice, just to crown it, and then to garnish, we've got pineapple, we've got more pineapple wedge, they call pineapple leaves, pineapple fronds, and then which one should we go for? I've got that one. So I've got an orange and a cherry. Lovely. And that is Georgi Radev's Beach Whacker. And sorry, I just missed one thing. I forgot he dusts his with cinnamon on top as well. So just a little dusting of cinnamon. There we go. That is Georgi Radev's Beach Whacker.